Today I'll walk you through how you can generate the PDF or ebook link so that you can easily share with your prospect or with your stakeholders without a need of any attachment into the email. So how you can do that? So this is the home page of HubSpot. You have to come to the you have to come to the contact section and files. So you have to select the file. Which file do you want to create? I'll go with this one. So the PDF is created here. Open a new window. Yeah, this is the way. And also there is a one option here. You can tag with any of the campaign also if you want, so that if you are running any campaign, so you would know we generated one of the PDF which we are using in the campaign. So if you tag that, then it will be kind of good for keeping all the asset together in the campaign view. And this is one more feature here. Whenever you create any PDF or maybe any ebook, and it gives the link, and the link would be a public here, and you can keep it public, no index. So public no index means the link will not come ever into the Google search. Like it will not scroll or crawl anywhere in the Google page, because that would be a out of the SEO part. And also you can keep the link as a private if you don't want to share to everyone. So you can just keep it private and share, and people share with limited access. Then people will see the link who are the people you have shared. This is the way to create the PDFs link in the HubSpot. So why is it useful for the people like us, or who are running anything into the HubSpot? Because you don't need to add any attachment. So directly just you give the hyperlink any of the CTA or maybe another text, and add the link. So automatically the person will go without need of any internal or maybe your private browser or email ID access. So this is the open link for everyone. This is the way you can create the link for any of the PDF. Thank you.